We get asked about this constantly. There's 3 GEO myths going around right now. They're a big deal, and they're costing plastic surgery practices some real money. Today, we're breaking down what is actually true, but what's not, and what you should actually do about it if you run a plastic surgery practice. So this one's for you. First, here's the truth. GEO does not replace SEO, and it never has. In fact, a simple truth we need to get out of the way right up front. You cannot have GEO without well-done SEO, period. Generative Engine Optimization is not new to the game. It's the next chapter to the same one. AI search tools still learn on the same foundation. Technical authority, real backlinks, content that's actually getting indexed and trusted. If your website is slow or thin with content or invisible to Google, no amount of GEO work fixes any of that. Here's the line that we use with every client. SEO gets you ranked and GEO gets you recommended because both matter together. Neither one replaces the other. They work together, which is why you need SEO and GEO for a plastic surgery practice, and that means something specific. Your before and after gallery still needs to load fast. Your service pages still need real depth. And we all know that rhinoplasty is not the same thing as a facelift. So treat them that way. Build SEO foundation first, then layer GEO on top of it. If you skip the foundation, you're building a very expensive house on sand. Second, Google's old engineers already said this file does nothing. Agencies are still selling that it's a miracle fix. We're talking about a file called the LLMS.txt. Some agencies are pitching it as essential. And here's what's actually true. Gary Illyes confirmed that Google doesn't support it. John Mueller compared it to the old keywords meta tag. Ha! Remember that one? No major AI company has committed to ranking of it either. Not OpenAI, not Google, not Anthropic. And independent studies show that around 1% of AI crawler traffic even touches the file. But should you skip it entirely? Actually, no, and here's why. It takes only a few minutes to add it. It doesn't cost you anything, and you know what? It might matter more as an adaptation grows in the future. So it's okay to add it, but just don't treat that as a strategy. And remember, it's not super impactful, so treat it like locking your office door at night. It's just good practice. The same goes for building a separate AI-only version of your website. Guess what? You don't need 2 sites. You only need one when it's written clearly enough. Both patients and AI models will understand it. Clear writing is an AI-friendly writing, and that's the whole secret. Third, if you're scared to use AI because you think that you'll get penalized, I think we need to talk. This is the whole myth that we hear the most, that AI-written content gets automatically punished. And you guessed it, it doesn't. In fact, Google has said this directly. They grade content based on quality, not on who or what typed it first. A study of over 600,000 pages found that AI-assisted content is in most top rankings, with almost zero correlation to any penalty. And here's what actually gets penalized. Thin content or unedited content. Content that's published at scale with no expertise behind it. For a plastic surgery practice, that's your biggest risk. Generic content about a tummy tuck that could belong to any practice in the country. Real patient outcomes, real recovery timelines, and real expertise from actual surgeons. That is what AI cannot fake, and Google actually wants to reward. Oh, and one more thing while we're here. Keyword stuffing does not help GEO either. Stuffing plastic surgeon near me into every sentence makes it exactly like it sounds. It's desperate. What actually works are clear citations and real statistics and direct quotes from your own providers. That's what gets you cited inside of AI, not stupid repetition. Arcane Marketing has been doing this for over 11 years now. We specialize in digital marketing for healthcare practices, including specifically plastic surgery. This is SEO, GEO, social media, yeah, backlinks, yes, website performance. We'll even run a free digital marketing audit to tell you exactly what's working for you and what isn't. We do it all for free. There's no obligation. All you have to do is ask.